People often come to my clinic and tell me, "Doctor, I've tried every diet known to man and still can't lose weight. What is wrong?" And the answer is metabolism. Metabolism is responsible for the management of your weight and your energy, and if it is run down and slow and depressed, it's very difficult to lose weight even with a great diet and lots of exercise. With nutrition response testing, we're able to get to the core issue with metabolism and why it's not working, and start to restore it with whole food supplementation that brings back organ function, that allows your metabolism to work properly and allows the weight to come off easily. If you'd like more information about nutrition response testing and what it might do for you, visit my website at michaelformandom.com.